Check out this 2001 Audi TT. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver illuminated vanity mirror, security system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, cruise control, power mirror, power steering, and turbocharged. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.